I choose to call it from mother to master. Now, in old spiritual text and in old ancient philosophical text, it's called from maiden to mother to crone. I don't think it's crone. The word crone is deliberately used in order to make you feel lesser than. So you're not going towards crone. You're not becoming this old evil witch. You're going from maiden to mother to master. So which means that the period of mother is the period where the divine feminine energy really grows, expands a lot, creates a lot of chaos, creates a lot of dynamical situations. And then when you're 49, you're supposed to slow down, as in you're becoming more grounded, more stable in who you are. And from that moment on, 49 is the number where your third eye should be fully activated. So I'm on this path, I'm on this journey, well on my way. And then from 49, you become the master. So you will be able to be the voice of reason, the old wise woman, the old wisdom woman, not even old. I mean, come on, look at me. You know, I'm moving towards 49. I'm going to be the wise woman. And so that's one of the benefits in the age we're living in today, but that's another video. So understand that when you are in the phase of mother, maiden, mother, master, mother, your divine feminine energy is now expanding as much as you will allow her to expand. This means that certain parts of yourself are foreign to you and you have to kind of get to know yourself all over again.